All right, folks, let's talk about getting your motorhome road ready. The startup procedure isn't just about firing up the engine, it's about setting yourself up for a safe, smooth trip. First, let's do a quick walk around. Check for any leaks, make sure your slide-ons are in and your jacks are up. Got it? All right, let's move on. With the parking brake engaged, do a quick system check. Fluids, connections, and tire pressures are all worth a look. A little prep now means fewer headaches later. Next, let's take care of the air system. We're going to drain any moisture from the air tanks and listen for any unusual sounds. Better safe than sorry. Next, the ABS modulator test. Press the brake pedal, turn the ignition on, but don't start the engine yet. Listen for those modulators cycling. You hear pows. If you don't have a tag axle, you'll hear 4 pows. If you have a tag, you'll hear 6. Trust me, this step makes sure that your ABS modulator valves are working like they're supposed to. Once that's done, fire up. Watch your air gauges and listen for the air dryer to purge. That's to make sure that the air system is working properly. Finally, release the park brake and do 2 or 3 full service brake applications. That's it. Now your coach is ready to roll. Feel good? Tap another question. Let's keep this adventure going.